To record GST or VAT payment in QuickBooks Online, firstly we go to the dashboard, select the Taxes tab at the left-hand side. We arrive at the Taxes section. We scroll down the page, find the return that we like to make payment, and click the Record Payment button at the right-hand side. After that, we arrive at the Record Payment page. Firstly, we select the Citibank, the bank that we have to make payment, so we can record the payment or refund. So after that, we just have to make sure the GST period, GST amount due, and the payment date is correct. Subsequently, we just enter the payment amount in the payment column. Alright, that's all. When everything is confirmed, we click Save at the bottom right-hand side. That's all to record GST payment in QuickBooks Online.